guys, my name is Shrikant Idam. Hope you all doing well and welcome to SIDM Techie channel. So today we are going to discuss about configuring user account in Active Directory. Okay. So the first topic we are going to discuss like how to configure account lockout policy. So in case if your user account is trying to log in and is entering the wrong password, so how many attempts he can use to log in into the account? So here I will show you how to do it. Okay, so this is my domain server. So here we will open Active Directory users and computers. Okay, so once you open this, we have to configure it in the group policy. Here right click on it, default domain policy, click on edit. Under computer configuration, click on the policies, expand it, select Windows settings, expand it, select security settings, select account policies. Here select account lockout policy. Now you can see account lockout threshold. So here we have to mention how many attempts a user can do. Click on it. So I am giving 3 attempts. So most of the time in an organization the user will get 3 attempts, so before account gets logged out. Yes. Okay, click on OK. So the account will get reset after 30 minutes. If you want you can keep it like 10 minutes or you can increase it more depending upon the requirement. So here we configure the settings. Now we have to update the policy. To update the policy, open command prompt, gp update, group policy update. So this policy has been updated. So here if any user present in this domain, okay, try to enter the password. Okay, if we try to enter if we try to enter the wrong password, like after 3 attempts it will be logged out. So his account will show like this. His account will be disabled. So you can see a drop down arrow is showing here. So what you have to do is, in case if a user is contacting you, you have to right click on the user, you have to enable it, then your user can log in. Just a minute. So this is the view enable the user. So once you enable the user, you will not see the icon, you will not see the drop down icon. Okay, so this is how you configure the lockout policy for the users in the domain. So the next setting is password policy complexity requirement. So here if you want user need to use special characters, uppercase letters or numbers in his password, how to configure it? So we have to configure it in the same group policy settings. Right click on default domain policy, go to the computer configuration, policies, Windows settings, security settings, account policies, password policy. Here you can see password must meet complexity requirements. So by default it will be disabled, but if you enable it, So user can we can configure like this requirement, like where we can configure like uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and special characters and numbers. So this will be mandatory to use. So we just have to enable it. So next time when you see, I configured it now. Now I will run the group policy update. Now I'll try to create a user, test2. I will type PASSWORD password, PASSWORD password. So here I'm not using uppercase letter or special characters or numbers. So we'll get a message. It is not meeting the requirements. So what I will do is I will use capital P password @8 and number 8 PA PASS password @8. Next. So we are able to configure the password with this complexity requirements. So the next topic will be logon time permissions. Here you can configure when user can log in onto the client machine. So to configure it, like in organization we will have morning shift people and night shift people, right? So we can configure a user like this particular user can log in only at morning hours, and other users can log in into night hours. To configure it, click on account. Here we have multiple tabs. Okay, click on account, click on log on hours. So here blue color thing, what do you see? It is login permitted, and if you select log on denied. So I want my user from Sunday to Monday to log in at morning 9 to 6. Sorry, Monday to Friday. So here Monday 12 a.m. So Sunday to Friday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. log on permitted. Okay, so if my user logs in, my user can log in only from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, if he tries to log in at different time, he cannot log in. Okay, I will click on OK now. Click on apply and OK. So this is how you configure a user time intervals to log in. So this is about today's class, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Meet you in next class, and please share it with your friends. Do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.